Hi, I am Rachel. Today we're going to break down an important aspect of filing taxes, the standard versus itemized deductions, which for 2023 was on Form 1040, line 12. Let's start with the standard deduction. This is a fixed dollar amount that all taxpayers can subtract from their gross income to determine their taxable income. It simplifies the process for many taxpayers because it eliminates the need to itemize deductions. The amount of the standard deduction depends on the taxpayer's filing status. For example, if they're filing a single, head of household, or married filing jointly, each status has a specific standard deduction amount. On the other hand, itemizing deductions allows taxpayers to deduct many expenses, such as medical and dental expenses, charitable contributions, home mortgage interest, or deductions for casualty losses. Itemizing allows the taxpayer to list out and deduct certain eligible expenses, potentially resulting in a larger deduction than the standard deduction. To do this, they have to use IRS Form Schedule A. For most taxpayers, it's beneficial to choose the option that gives the largest deduction. Whether they take the standard deduction or itemize, the total amount is entered on line 12 of Form 1040. Certain taxpayers are eligible for an additional standard deduction amount. This includes those who are 65 or older and or legally blind. This amount is added to the basic standard deduction. Dependents, who can be claims on another person's tax return, have a limited standard deduction. It's the greater of $1,100 or their earned income plus $350, but it can't exceed the regular standard deduction amount. If a taxpayer is married and filing separately, there's a special rule. Both spouses must either take the standard deduction or both must itemize their deductions. It is estimated that up to 90% of taxpayers will benefit more from taking the standard deduction rather than itemizing. Now let's discuss itemizing deductions. A taxpayer should itemize if their total deductions are more than the standard deduction amount or if they don't qualify for the standard deduction. If they file as married filing separately and their spouse itemizes, if they are filing a tax return for a short tax year due to a change in their annual accounting method, or if they're a non-resident or dual status alien during the year. In our tax course, we'll go further into itemized deductions. Be sure to consult our recent tax changes and updates reading assignment for the latest details on standard deduction amounts and any changes to itemized deductions. Thanks for joining us. If you want more information, you can click the link in the description to take our beginner tax course. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tax tips.